Ano na?
Natutok na.
Okay, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
So, I am the first discussant for this chapter 2. So, my topic is all about globalization and cultural and multicultural literacies. So, next guy. So, now we proceed to the learning objectives. So, please read everyone.
At
Basa mo.
the end of this chapter, you should be able to develop clear and practical understanding of the following: globalization and its implications on both national and individual level, cultural and multicultural literacy in the Philippines, and one's personal level of cultural and multicultural literacy.
Okay, so, next guy. So, before we officially proceed to our discussion, so may I ask first a question? What is globalization for you? Miss Carmen. So based sa atong definition na no. May kanala na sabtan mo.
Interaction between people na nasa gawas na bitaw sa nasa which is diba ko na interaction wala siya na sa mga bitaw.
Okay, gibahan to Miss Carmen. So please read everyone what is globalization.
Globalization is a process of interaction and integration among people, businesses, governments, and cultures of different countries to create investment and information technology.
Okay, so globalization is the process or it is situations. It is a situations of interaction and integration among people which is ang country which is ang country o ang people karon is dili na siya isolated. Dili na siya isolated which is nanay connection worldwide. Specifically in businesses, governments, and culture of different countries through trade, investment, and information technology. So meaning to say is nanay connection ba? Nanay connection ang mga country karon so dili na sila ingon nga dili ingon sila nga kana bitawng maglahi separate dili ingon separate so nanay connection between nga maka-benefit sila. So example for this is ang mobile phone or ang smartphone nga imong ginagamit karon so kana with wa ka kabaw nga diha din na sa US naka-design ang mga smartphone ninyo. Then ang iyang mga parts is gikan na sa Japan, di ba? Then sa US is wala kay ba diha ko nagigama sa US. Then gibaligya lang nga siya diri sa Philippines. And that is the globalization which is nanay connection